Hey guys, it's Jess from Madden Crafts. I recently attended Creativation, America's largest craft trade show, and I wanted to talk to you about some of the trends that I saw on the show floor that I think are going to be big in 2020. I saw a lot of evidence on the trade show floor that bright, bold, saturated colors are going to be popular in 2020. And I saw even more evidence that those colors are going to skew towards neon. I saw neon colors being promoted in card making, in craft paint, and in other embellishments around the show floor. So if you love bright, bold colors, I think you're going to like what you see this year. We usually see one throwback craft come back into popularity each year. Last year it was macrame, and this year I think it's going to be paint by numbers. I saw old-fashioned paint by number kits on the show floor and newer versions that allow you to fill in the sections with paint and then watch an online video to help you turn that old-fashioned paint by number into a more modern-looking piece of handmade artwork for your home. Sublimation was a huge trend on the craft floor this year. If you have ever worked with Cricut infusible ink, that is a sublimation process. It's a process of putting ink onto a special surface where the ink is actually embedded into the surface itself. So if you felt a Cricut infusible ink shirt, the ink has gone right into the shirt itself. Artistry, Caesar, We Are Memory Keepers, they all have new products that let you use sublimation techniques at home, and those products will be hitting the market in 2020. The final trend that is starting to make its way into the world of crafting is being green with your crafting, whether it's the supplies you use or the projects that you make. I saw more brands try to incorporate being eco-friendly into their displays. I hope this is a trend that catches on all across the crafting industry. I have more videos coming out about everything I learned at Creativation this year, so make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Visit me on my blog, Madden Crafts, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!